Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily join a custom CSGO server. So the first way would be if you already know the IP of the server you're connecting to. For example, if you've gone on a third-party website and found a surf server, for example. If you have the IP saved, what you can do is you can open your console and you can just type in connect, space, paste. And when you click enter on this, it will actually load you into the server. Now that's one way to do it. Another way would be to click play up here in the top left and select community server browser. Now from here it gives us a whole range of servers, and if we wanted to do bhop, for example, we just type in bhop and it will show us all bhop ones. From there we can look at the server names, we can look how many players are online, and we can also check the maps if we wanted to. And then when you wanted to join one, all you'll do is click on this. You just want to double click it and it will load you into the game. Now some custom servers like this have quite a lot of assets and stuff to download. As you can see in the bottom right, it's just loading now. I'm not going to bother waiting for this to load. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please comment down below that it worked, and like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.